Hi everybody and welcome back to Apple Cottage. This is Sandy and I am Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming. Well, you know, I got 500 subscribers. And so I said I would run it until Monday night to pick a winner. And what was I giving away? I was giving away a gardening book. This is Your Organic Gardening by Jeff Cox. Fabulous book. And also I was giving away seeds. So I have a whole bowl full of people that entered. But the fun thing was that I'm also going to show you what I won on a different channel. Now Nancy over at Ash's Treasures Homesteading and Gardening, she's just the sweetest thing ever. You have to go over and check her out. I'll put her link in the description below. Anyway, she was giving away a book. And it was called Healing Scriptures. Joseph Prince is the man who wrote it. And all it is scriptures throughout the Bible that are healing. And so I thought since our world was in such a crazy state right now and we need healing, I would just do a scripture out of my new book. This is Jeremiah 33:6. Behold, I will bring to it health and healing, and I will heal them. And I will reveal to them the abundance of peace and truth. And I thought that was just so appropriate that every day I lift up our world to the Father for healing and knowledge on how to fix this virus. And so, Nancy, thank you so much for letting me win that. And it just goes from Old Testament through the New Testament, and it has scripture, scripture, scripture. Okay, but back to our point for today. Now, all you had to do to win was like my video. Subscribers were awesome to have. And you just had to say, I want to win. Easy as pie. And, oh, let me show you some of the seeds I'm sending in the box. Now, these are corn seed. And these are called Mandan sweet corn. And it was a variety that were grown by the upper tribes, Native American tribes in the upper Missouri. And it's red. And I just thought that people would think this was a fun corn to grow. And they used to roast the corn. It makes a really golden color when it's roasted. And I just thought this would be a fun thing to give away. And then all kinds of other things, pumpkins, beans, peas, just all kinds of seeds. And so, we don't have to have this a long video. I don't have to draw it out or anything. Because I'm ready to go out in the garden. Because it's gardening together. And I have been working on a project yesterday and today. And so when I get done with that project, I'm going to upload the video for gardening together today. So, our winner is Homesteading, North Michigan. So I'll contact you and you can send me your information and I will put the book and the seeds in the mail. And thank you so much for 500 subscribers. And I think I'm like about 550 now, somewhere in there. I didn't look this morning, and but enjoy the day. Here in Wyoming, it is literally going to be 67 degrees, hardly any wind, and the sun's going to shine all day. I'm so excited. I got my bibs on. I'm ready to garden. So, wishing you and all of yours a wonderful, prosperous day. And I'll see you later if you come back to gardening together and you can see what I have been working on in the garden.